In this episode, a relationship psychologist explores how reframing conflicts as growth moments can strengthen trust and closeness. Viewers learn a simple two-step recap and repair ritual that happens right after a disagreement to reset emotion and intentions. Step 1 articulates what mattered most, avoiding blame. Then Step 2 agrees on a small concrete action to rebuild connection. Psychological insights explain emotional storms as signals rather than signs of failure, inviting curiosity about unmet needs and boundaries. This standalone guide also points to ongoing practices like daily check-ins and shared appreciation to sustain healthier relationship momentum.